my own case. You can see the MRI, Dr. M.B. Prabhu. In 2002 February, I had severe accident and got severe injury to my spine, severe slip disc. I lost my hand, left hand. Muscles were totally wasted. Within 3 days, my hand was totally paralyzed. I was not able to do any movements. We have shown to every possible doctor in India and abroad, but they said nothing can be done. Even surgery is not possible. There is very high risk of surgery. So then I have treated my own. You can see how I was doing my treatment. I was told not to do anything, just to go on the bed. Lifetime, one single sneezing or cough may land into trouble or full paralyzed below the spine area, and I should go totally on bed, no sneezing, no cough. That was my condition, very worse condition. After my treatment, you can see I got this 12 years now new life. I am doing my total normal practice without any problem. Case of Rukmini Shirodkar, she fall down on the steps and got spine broken. You can see this MRI, worse condition, bedridden for 2 years, crying with the pain. We have taken the case as a research case, and you can see she can walk normal. She can walk normal, she can do bending. One was impossible case, cannot do anything. Taking morphine injection was totally normal after our treatment. This is a case of Teresa from Canada, the wife of film director working for Discovery Channel. She was having severe slip disc and sclerosis of hip joint, total stiff hip joint, was not able to do any movement. This is a report of Teresa. She was under around 19 doctors in Canada, and she was going very difficult life. After our treatment, you can see she can do bending, which was impossible. She was brought on the wheelchair. Now you can see she can do the movements of the leg. She can lift the leg. After treatment, she tried everything. She tried the hip joint movements. She was a belly dancer, but years together she was not able to do anything. Cannot sit, cannot stand. Now she can stand on the leg. One leg she tried, standing on the other leg. This is after our treatment. She tried everything before going to Canada. She tried sitting down. She tried swimming. She tried running. It was impossible. She never thought in her life she will be able to do these all movements. One who was in such a severe condition.
After so many doctors' treatment in Canada and anything, have you thought in that you will be able to get cured?
I never thought I could jump again.
She is a patient with severe Bell's palsy, facial paralysis. Right side was totally paralyzed. She was not able to close the eye. So there was thread put so that eyes can be fixed with the tape on the thread. We have taken this research case. After our treatment, you can see she can do all the movements normal without any problem. Such level cases we are handling. This is a case with a severe lot of health problems, so she tried to do suicide and fan collapsed and she fall down with the spine injury. She was brought to our center. She was crying, cannot do any movement. Very worse condition. You see the date on the camera and timings. I have done research treatment, special research treatment. You can see after research treatment she can walk. She can do bending, which was impossible. She was not able to do any movements. Difficult to get up from bed. And after my treatment, within half an hour, 1 hour special research treatment, she was able to do walking, bending and climbing the steps. These are our results. This is one more case, severe case of motor neuron disease. She was having a spine problem. She was given a steroid injection. After steroid injection, she had lost her full motor area. All the nerves were damaged. And she was not able to do anything, even not able to do swallowing. And such a worse condition, she was brought as our center. We have taken as a research case. We have done step-by-step recording. You can see the recordings on the website. But this is after 30 days. She was able to walk very easily. She can climb the steps without any problem, and now she is living normal life from motor neuron disease, impossible case. This is one more case, a girl suffering from myelitis, spine problem below D10. She was not able to do any movements. After our treatment, you can see she can just take support and walk. After 15 days, without support she tried. Impossible case of myelitis, totally paralyzed below the D10 spine. Now she can walk. She is going to the school by her own without any problem. We have done as a charity work. This is a patient of rheumatoid arthritis. You know rheumatoid arthritis, there is no treatment. You just go on taking painkillers, and this patient was having stiff joints, severe painful joints, cannot do any movement, crying even after taking lot of painkillers, going very difficult life, cannot do any movements even on the bed. To take on the bed, from bed to down was very, very difficult. We handle such cases. We have done research on the rheumatoid arthritis cases. It takes long time, but we can give them a ray of hope. He was not able to lift his hands. All the joints were stiff and painful. After treatment, you can see he can stand very easily, normally, without pain, walking normal, no bent legs, legs became straight. Such a results we are giving in our center. This is a case of worse osteoarthritis, worn out joint, totally worn out, suffering from years together, tried all the steroid injections and everything. She is from Bombay. She was asked to do replacement but was not ready. She was very fat, but we have taken this case. You can see her crying, her video, full video you can see on the website. Very difficult case of knee osteoarthritis. Without replacement, without surgery, we have taken the case and we have treated in our hospital. Within 3-4 days, she managed to walk with the support of the chair. So you can see how she is crying and telling a story. After our treatment, she tried to walk with the support of the chair and going with the life. Then after our treatment of 6 months, she was able to go normal life. She went back Bombay, and after 5 years, she came to meet me, and we were surprised to see she is absolutely normal. She can walk normally without any problem, normal flexible joints. And we have done her recording again to show people our acupuncture is not a temporary but permanent solution. This case came from Gulf country. She was suffering from varicose veins. 20 years back she was operated, and then onwards she was going with the severe pain, swelling, redness. The case was brought to me and we have taken as a research case. You can see the result. Total legs are normal now after treatment of 10 days. We have taken this case because her sister was my patient. So after treatment is very happy. There is a case of severe pimples, very big painful pimples. We do lot of cosmetic treatment like pimples, hair loss, dandruff. This was one of the case. You can see the recording where severe pimples are there. After our treatment of 20 days, you can see her face glowing, no pimples, absolutely normal, no marks, just within 20 days of treatment. This is a severe case of hip joint dislocation. 12 years back, she got dislocated and going with the severe pain. You can see the reports of this Valerina Kudna. She was going with the very difficult life and impossible condition, cannot stand, cannot walk, cannot sit down, getting up, very painful, living like just horrible life. We have taken the case as a research case, just with the special research treatments for 5 days. You can see the result. Within 5 days she was able to manage to climb the steps, get down the steps very easily. One who is having the severe hip joint dislocation can do such a normal movements. She can get up normal, can sit down normally. Now she says that no need of support, nothing is required. She can get up normally. Such condition, impossible case. She forced me to take this case and we have taken this research case. She is praying with the God and giving us blessings that the God has sent her to my hospital and she got treated. We get lot of blessings from such impossible cases when we treat them. This is one more case of severe slip disc problem and she lost her left hand, totally paralyzed, cannot lift. It is called like hand drop, like we get wrist drop. This is a hand drop, like she cannot lift the hand. She tried lot medicines, lot doctors, different tractions and everything, but she was not able to do any movements, cannot lift the hand. After our treatment, you can see she was able to lift the hand, do the normal movements, can rotate freely without any pain. Such a dramatic results we give in our hospital. This was our small presentation to show what level our Sai Acupuncture Research Center works, what level cases we are handling. We got 10,000 video clips of difficult cases handled in our hospital. Lot of cases are available on the website. You can see different type of disorders and different testimonies, video testimonies, and make your mind guarantee that we can treat you without any problem. We are very much sure of treating spine problem. Our hospital is specialist in treating slip disc problem. You can see different hospital doctors are recommending their patients of spinal problems, frozen shoulder, migraine, and so many cases to our hospital from India and also from abroad. Lot of doctors, you can see videos, are my regular patients coming to me for such cases. So there should be no doubt in your mind to get yourself treated in our hospital. Lot of people get frightened of acupuncture. They feel when needling there will be lot of pain. I have been given name as a doctor with flying needles by Chinese doctors because when I prick it never pains. You can see this child taking treatment very easily and with laughing face. Lot of patients hesitate to come for acupuncture thinking there will be lot of pain in needling. But you can see these small children are taking treatment very easily. This boy was cerebral palsy. He is now normal after taking treatment. So never think of pain. It pricks but never pains. For last 25 years, we have treated thousands of patients free of cost. Lot of patients have been treated with the charity. We have done this full year charity work not only in Goa but outside Goa, Belgaum, Shirdi, in so many areas. Our health talk to keep ourselves healthy and avoid health problems. This is one of the camp done in Zambaulim where we have treated 550 patients. Actually, we have gone just to treat 50 patients, but because of our results and the crowd was uncontrollable and we had to treat 550 patients from morning 6 o'clock till night 12 o'clock we were treating the patients. These all patients were suffering from years together, 5, 10 years they were on the bed suffering with the spine problem.